How to send money with Ria money transfers step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need to send money locally or abroad securely and quickly? Today, I'm showing you on how you can use Ria money transfers with step-by-step instructions for the application, website, and in-person option. We'll also cover fees, tracking, delivery methods, and top tips to save money and time. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, before we head over into the step-by-step, let's talk about what is Ria Money Transfer. Ria Money Transfer is a trusted global remittance service founded in 1987, part of the Euronet worldwide with over 500,000 agent locations across 190 plus countries. Now, you can send money via the Ria app or website, a local agent store. Now, recipients can get the funds through bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile wallet, Visa debit cards, or Visa Direct. In some countries, even home delivery. Now, to simply set up your account, you just want to head over to the Ria website right here. Or you can just go ahead and download the Ria application on the Android or iOS. In my case, I'm going to be using the riamoneytransfers.com. From here, you can then go ahead and click on the sign up button. Right after, you then want to simply choose your country, and from there, you then want to click on continue. You then want to verify via code, and you want to complete ID verifications for higher limit right here. Now, to go ahead and start a new transfer, you just want to tap on the send or send money in the application or site. You can pick the destination country. You can either use send or the recipient gets the amount. You want to select your payment methods. For example, we have bank transfers, which has the lower fees, but it's lower around 4 days. We have debit or credit card, which is faster, but it has higher fees, and it will take you around 15 to 3 hours at maximum. And lastly, in cash, in person only. Now, from there, you then want to choose the delivery method right here. You want to pick how your recipient will receive it. Number 1, bank account, directly straight to their bank. Cash pickup at a Ria agent. We have mobile wallet supported in 50 plus countries. We have home delivery available in select countries, for example, Philippines or Morocco. And lastly, Visa Direct. You can transfer it into their Visa Direct account. From there, we can simply add recipient details. Enter the recipient's information like full name as on the ID or bank account, addresses, and phone for cash. Now, you also want to enter the bank details, account, SWIFT, BIC, bank name, and address, or their Visa debit card number for the Visa Direct. Now, for the next step, you have the payment and confirmation. You want to choose or add payment method. You can just review fees, exchange rates, and total. Hit confirm send, and you'll get a transaction number or PIN that you can track status in the app or online. Now, you can also track transfers or pickup by heading over to their website or the application, and from here you just want to tap on track a transfer. You then want to simply use your transfer PIN, and you'll get real-time alerts as it progresses. Recipients can pick up cash at store with ID and PIN or check their bank or mobile wallet. So from there, we then have the typical times and limits. Basically, once again, for card payments, it will take around 15 to 3 hours at maximum. For bank transfers, up to 4 days. And for limits, in the US, you can have the limit for up to $15,000 each month online and $500 transactions in cash. Some states specify limits on $100 $1,000 per day in Arizona, Oklahoma, and Minnesota. Basically, for fees and exchange rate, fees can range from $1 to $9 depending on your country, amount, and method. Exchange rates include the markup, not mid market. You'll see full breakdown before spending with no hidden surprises. Let's also talk about the pros and cons of using Ria Money. Now for pros, it has global reach with 190 plus countries and 500,000 plus locations. It has fast delivery via card. You have multiple payout methods or options, for example, wallet, bank, cash, card. And lastly, you have trackable and secure transfers. Now, let's talk about cons. Card payments can be expensive. Exchange rate markup applies, and bank funded transfers are slower. And so, how can you go ahead and save more money? You want to compare payments versus delivery method fees. You want to use bank transfers for non urgent amounts. You want to watch exchange rate markups via the Ria calculator, as you can see right here. You want to use promo codes for free, subsidized transfers, and lastly, you want to stick to amounts near the cap to avoid delays. Let's also talk about some safety and customer support. Now, regulated with tracking on every transaction is the number one safety of Ria Money. You have 24/7 support via in-app chat, web chat, and hotline, and you have top rated service, mostly positive user reviews. So that's how you go ahead and use Ria Money to send money. Once again, you can just go ahead and navigate through the Ria website right here or the Ria application, and from there you then want to tap on send money on the application or site. Pick the country destination. You can either you send or the recipient gets amount. For example, if you send around 500 pesos, the recipient gets around $20 or something like that. Or you want to go ahead and put the recipient gets $30 and you will send around 1,200 pesos, something like that. From there, you then want to select your payment method. Once again, bank transfer, debit card, or cash. Now, you can also go ahead and find locations near your place right here if you want to. Choose the delivery method and you should be good to go. So, if this video has helped you out, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.